Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. In our last video, we had discussed some of the definitions, and I am sure you have written those definitions in your classwork copy. Today, we will discuss the exercise portion of the chapter Plants Around Us. So, in exercise portion, it is given. Question number A is dash carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. So, which part of the plant carries all other parts? Answer is stem. Question number 2. The strong woody stem of a tree is called the dash. We already have discussed the stem of tree is known as trunk. So, the answer is trunk. Question number 3. A dash has a thin and green stem. Answer is herb. Herbs are the very small plants and they have thin and green stem. Number 4. Muskmelon and grass are examples of dash. Do you remember? They are the examples of creepers. They creep on the ground. So the answer is creeper. Next, dash is an example of a climber type plant. So here you have to give an example of climber. Answer is pea plant. You may write other examples like grapes plant or money plant. They are also the climbers. Next, question number B is match the following. So in this column, 5 words are given: tree, shrub, herb, climber and creeper. And in this column, it is given bitter gourd, tomato, pea plant, mango and rose. So you have to match these words with their suitable matching. See, tree. Against tree, it is written bitter gourd, but bitter gourd is not a tree. In the same way, tomato is not a shrub, pea plant is not a herb, mango is not a climber, and rose is not a creeper. So we have to match them correctly. Like this, here is the answer. So tree, the example of tree is the mango. See here, here is the mango. This is the example of tree. So mango is tree. An example of shrub is the rose. Rose is here and shrub is here. So we have to write them in front. And you should write it in front. Don't draw lines to match. Next, herb. An example of herb is tomato. See, here is the tomato and here is the herb. So they are not in front. We have to match them. We have to write them in front. Next climber example is the pea plant. So here I have written pea plant in front of climber. In the same way, bitter gourd is the example of creeper. So it is written in front of creeper. So in this way, this is the answer which you have to write in your copy. Next, question number C is tick the correct option. So here statement is given and 4 options are there. But only one option is the right one and you have to find that correct answer and tick that. Let us see. Number 1, the plants that give shade to humans and animals are called. Are they called shrubs or trees or herbs or creepers? So we have discussed already which plant gives us shade. Yes, they are the trees, the big plants. No, they give us shade and the big plants are called trees. Question number 2 is, the part of a plant that stores seed is known as, we have discussed this in the function of the parts of plants. we had discussed the function of fruit. What is the function of fruit? Do you remember? It stores seeds. So the answer is fruit. Number 3. The plants that look like bushes with many branches are known as. Are they known as climbers or herbs or trees or shrubs? Who look like bushes with many branches? Yes, the answer is shrubs. Shrubs look like bushes with many branches. So today in this video I have given you these 3 types of questions only. Question number A, fill in the blanks. B, match the following. And C, tick the correct option. These 3 types of questions you have to copy in your classwork copy. Along with this video, I am also giving you all these questions in the form of PDF also, from where you can easily copy it in your classwork copy. In our next video, we will discuss questions and answers of this chapter, that is the plants around us. Thank you.